We often think of hearing aids as tools for navigating the outside world. They help us hear conversations in noisy restaurants and follow along during meetings. But what about when we're at home? Is it really necessary to wear hearing aids in the comfort of our own space? The answer is a resounding yes. Wearing hearing aids at home, even when you're alone, offers a range of benefits that extend far beyond simply amplifying sound. It's about maintaining cognitive health, ensuring safety, and enhancing your overall quality of life. Think of it this way. Just as you wouldn't skip your daily exercise routine, consistent hearing aid use is crucial for maintaining a healthy auditory system. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the specific reasons why wearing hearing aids at home is so important. From aiding in the adjustment process for new users to promoting cognitive function and enhancing connectivity, the advantages are numerous and impactful. For those new to hearing aids, the initial experience can be overwhelming. Sounds that were once faint or non-existent become noticeable, and the brain needs time to adjust. This is where home use becomes crucial. By wearing hearing aids in a familiar environment, you allow your brain to gradually acclimate to the soundscape of your own home. The hum of the refrigerator, the ticking of a clock, the creaking of floorboards, these everyday sounds often overlooked become clearer. This process of adjustment is similar to exercising a muscle. The more you wear your hearing aids, the stronger your auditory system becomes. Consistent use helps your brain filter out unimportant sounds and focus on what's meaningful. Beyond adjusting to sound, wearing hearing aids at home plays a vital role in maintaining cognitive health. Studies have shown a strong link between untreated hearing loss and an increased risk of dementia. When you wear hearing aids, you keep your brain active and engaged. You're constantly processing sounds, which helps strengthen neural connections and maintain cognitive function. Safety is another critical aspect. Being able to hear a smoke alarm, a doorbell, or someone calling for help can be crucial in an emergency. Hearing aids also contribute to better balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls, particularly in older adults. Modern hearing aids are technological marvels, offering features that go far beyond simple amplification. Many models connect seamlessly to smartphones, televisions, and other devices, enhancing your enjoyment of entertainment and communication. You can stream music directly to your hearing aids, enjoy clear phone conversations, and even watch television at a comfortable volume without disturbing others. This connectivity fosters a sense of inclusion and helps you stay connected to the world around you. In conclusion, wearing hearing aids at home is an investment in your overall well-being. It's about more than just hearing. It's about staying sharp, staying safe, and staying connected. If you have hearing loss, make consistent hearing aid use a part of your daily routine. You'll be amazed by the difference it makes.